So I waited a little bit of time, before I made this video. This was actually a problem for the last 2 weeks now. It's been a problem since September 30th. And we have no actual statement from Samsung about this. So I want to go ahead and talk about this because this is a big reason why I don't actually like the Z Flip 4 and also the Z Flip 3. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Starting off right away, guys, if you'd like to go ahead and help support the channel, you can go ahead and join membership down below, and you will be featured in every single one of my videos. All right, guys, so starting off right away, yes, this is why I don't like the Z Flip 4. If you guys have not seen on Twitter, a lot of people's Z Flip 3 screens actually are breaking after a year. So after a year of them being, you pretty much probably used every single day, they are actually, the middle part, the little fold part is actually breaking. And of course that is an issue because you spent $1,000 on this phone. And after a year, there are problems with them breaking. Well, Z Flip 4 now is in the news because it also has a problem. And that, of course, is the hinge is breaking or disjoining with no or minimum drops. And this is not the first outlet right here, web, that posts this. This is coming from a lot of different sources. So, yeah. I'm going to tell you right now. Guys. This is not good. And again, $1,000 for this phone, and it's breaking by itself. Now, will Samsung fix this? Will Samsung, go ahead and honor this? Obviously, yes. If this is under its this is clearly under warranty, then you will obviously get your phone fixed. But that's not really the solution to everything. The idea of, oh, don't worry, we're going to have this phone will be fixed for free. Even if free, it doesn't matter. I shouldn't wake up one day. Let's say you wake up one day, right? And you have to go do something. You have to go, I don't know, to school or to work, or you have an appointment. And you're like, okay, let me grab my phone, my phone's broken. Even if you're like, well, I can just send this off and 2 weeks later I'll get you don't have a phone for 2 weeks. Like, phones are so important in every one of our daily lives. Think about how many times a day you actually use your phone, right? Imagine your phone, I have an iPhone 14 Pro here. Imagine that just breaks and you have to send it off for 2 weeks and you don't get back for 2 weeks. It's definitely a problem. And again, like I said, this is why I don't like the Z Fold or Z Flip 4. And I love the Z Fold 4, but the Flip 4 has had so many issues, this flipping phone. See what I did there? In the last couple years that I bought the Z Flip 3 for like $300 off eBay. And I talked about before, I do like the phone, but it's definitely not my favorite phone, clearly. And it still scares the heck out of me. Because while the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 3 got S Pen support and have a very durable display, the Z Flip simply is not on that level. And it never will be on that level. With the last iteration of this phone, the battery was absolutely so small, you had to charge it after 6 hours. Then this battery is better, but it's not even that much better. I just simply cannot get around the Z Flip series. It's a cool idea and a cool design, and I will give you 1,000%. It's probably the coolest design you will ever see. But that doesn't make it an amazing phone. And that definitely does not get me to buy it. And it keeps me far away from it because of the problems with it. So, again, like I said, I know I'm making this video 2 weeks later, but I was waiting to see a mass recall on these phones. Especially if this is a problem around everyone, there should be, some kind of fix to this. But simply, there is not currently a fix. And, this might be a tad bit why Samsung is actually offering so many bonuses for going ahead and buying this device right now. So when you pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, you had all your bonuses, which are normal. You get that whenever you pre-order the device. Well, Samsung is doubling down on that. Right now, you can get a free Galaxy Watch, and you can get double the storage for the same price as the 256GB version for both these phones. And I think the reason why they're doing that is because they're realizing, oh my God, there's some problems with these phones. They're also releasing in China on October 21st, which is awesome. Don't get me wrong, but it's definitely one of those things where it's like the reason why people do not buy these phones, these select phones, is because of the price. But a bigger reason is the durability. 100%. If you made that inside display more durable, you could justify $1,800. You could justify $1,000 for the Z Flip 4. But when you have issues where people are reporting, hey, my hinge is broken, or, you know, my screen broke, so on and so on, when you have that high premium price tag on these devices, it's hard to sit back and say, all right, I'll take my money. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the Z Fold 4. I'm a daily driver anymore, but it was for the longest time. But listen, it's still going to be a problem. So Samsung, you got to double down. You got to fix this up. You got to make sure you do this right. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.